Tanya Barr, and I'm a chef and co-founder of Straight to the Source. And we're here today at Fine Food Australia in Melbourne, and we're showcasing onions in a really interactive way, working with 5 local venues. The energy is quite high, and the audience is very much food service professionals. And today at the Source Kitchen, we've done a whole session on onions, celebrating red, white, and brown onions and our Australian onion growers. We had 5 venues showcasing onions. We're judging them on versatility, innovation, taste, visual appeal, nutritional aspects. What was nice about this competition is it wasn't only the executive chef that had the influence in the dish, it was their team. So it was a collective and it was very multicultural. The brief for the venues to participate in this competition was to really think about innovation and think about the onion as being the hero of the dish, the star of the dish, and also getting people to think about onions a bit differently. So what they did, most of the dishes had multiple elements. So some of them were fermenting the onions, they made an onion powder, an onion dust. Every culinary different technique possible, they nailed in these dishes. Onions often lend themselves to savory. Today, what we found is 2 of the venues turned the onion into a sweet. We had an onion ice cream sandwich. We had an onion tatin with an ice cream quenelle. You know, that's kind of outside the box thinking, and it made people really think about, hang on, will that work? So I think everyone left today very inspired and invigorated and running out to grab, you know, red, white, and brown onions and seeing how they can push the boundaries too. Culinary food service professionals can get heaps of information from going to the Australian Onions website. They can download resources from a culinary perspective and also nutrition, which is something that we're really advocating for as well. And you can also sign up to the EDM. It's really easy. You just go on, sign up, and then you automatically be kept up to date on all this important information.